bought herself a new car. I can't have that on there. She got a brand new car. Whoop whoop! Now she can drive us around everywhere.
Everywhere. I'm the show.
Hi guys. So I have a question really quick. If I made a little clip of a video and made it into like an hour long or whatever, not vlog, just video of like anything for an hour, like repeated, so it's not an actual, I'm not doing something for an hour long, would you, like, if you're busy on one day or you have nothing to do and you're just, you know, whatever, would you put the video on to let it play throughout the day, just like to get views up? I'm only asking this because I have friends on here that have done it before. I don't know how it worked out, I have to go check, but they did an hour-long video just so that, like, for people that are cleaning, doing dishes, whatever, they can put the video on and let it play while they're doing their thing, and that way you get more views. Or yeah, I guess so, more views. No, it's more watch time. Watch time is what I need. It would get more watch time. So let me know if you think that's something I could do. I might just do it anyway, but I wanted to explain like the reasoning behind it. So if you would turn on my video and let it play while you're doing whatever, so I can get some watch time hours. And yes, this is being really honest and out there. I need my watch time hours to go up so I can get paid. Let me know if you would be willing to do that. I also want to say, I'm sure some of you would be willing to, because you guys are really, really sweet people. So I have a feeling some of you would maybe say sure. But let me know in the comments. Guys, I did a thing this time. I actually changed my hair. This is what I wanted last time. And I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna take some time to get used to because it's clearly not blonde. But I think for now, it's a good change. I just want it to be more my natural color. And this is like, it's not my natural color, but it's like close to it. But I don't know, I wanted to try it out. So this is my hair. And it looks longer for some reason. But anyway, I love it. I'm just not used to it. So it's gonna take me a couple days or weeks to get used to it. But I don't hate it. What do you guys think? It's a big change. It's a big change, but it's good. Let's see the back. Let's see the back of it. Yeah, that's, why does it look so long? Since when did my hair get long? Am I technically brunette now, or is this like dark blonde? There, you can see some blonde in it still. It's not gone. I changed my hair. Tomorrow we are going to the States with a work friend. We've never been there with her. So I'll try to vlog some, but probably not a whole bunch. Honestly, you guys know I just want my Buffalo Wild Wings. That's all I care about. Food. Food. Going to but I know that he knows my States.
Tell if you're gonna go on a road trip with the girls, Mom, you better sing.
Can you stop yelling?
Sorry.
That's all she does is yell.
I was singing.
I got my road.
Car stick.
That's not good.
Yeah, you're not the best driver.
Not my fault. We were in traffic for a...
I'm joking. It was just a joke.
There's Daddy's store, Runnings.
I drove straight up.
How about Chick-fil-A? Closed on Sunday.
Ya quiero Taco Bell. I didn't realize Dunkin' Donuts was this far.
We really get here.
How?
to eat. We're not getting.
I tell ya.
How do you like your drink?
10 out of 10.
Does anybody have a particular law?
It's a iced matcha latte.
Because I need money.
Always. Yes, I have. What is it? Oh, I want to go in.
Okay, good.
It's an iced
Can I
matcha
turn?
latte,
Can I
and I
turn?
got yeah, right on red is legal here. Iced matcha latte with pumpkin spice in it. Cool.
Everybody's turning. I can go. Okay. I don't know the rules.
We made it to Target and she's already trying stuff on. I like the green one better.
Yeah, but they only had it in a huge size.
Gotcha.
Why are these looking kind of nice?
They do, I
Look
know.
at the side of them.
Guys, I like these, but I would rather have a real pair.
They were sending back from way millions and millions and millions and millions of light years away, and way deep in space. Pictures are coming back from there. Oh, it's so cool. Really? Yeah, it does.
The trying on paid off.
Yeah. She's a pip.
She's crazy.
They smell good, not amazing. Could be better, but the price is okay.
Vegan shit.
It's so ugly. Oh my gosh.
You're better off to wear a heel like this.
That's all. See them?
They're too big.
Turn to the side. Dang.
Wow. That's a boot.
Let's look at all of this stuff. Yuck, I'm looking for the spicy beans, but they don't have them here. That's scary. Beware of flying bats. Where are they?
Are you serious? No, that's a fake.
Oh, there's a clown. We're in Spirit Halloween, as you could probably hear. He's looking for
The gang, the whole gang.
How can I
Haley?
breathe?
Oh, Leanne
Leanne Ryan. She won the Masked Singer too. She was.
Whoa, what is
She
going
was
on?
Where? Oh, I was like, where is that coming from?
I couldn't figure it out.
I've had nothing to watch
That was hectic.
Starting Wednesday is Survivor.
That's like really loud.
They're all coming back now.
No.
We just finished the challenge. You gotta watch that one.
I tried.
It's not at all like Survivor. You know who won? It was Danny from Survivor and Sarah from Survivor. Remember Sarah, the ex-cop?
Yeah.
We're basically done now. Now we're just going to Buffalo Wild Wings,
Socks. 'Cause, like,
Dunkin' Donuts,
like,
and home. I cannot wait for my chicken.
They just had on.
We've never had any trouble coming back. We've always had our receipts.
Why is
Alright guys, we are home. I'm tired. I'm really tired. I need to sleep in tomorrow and do nothing all day. Oh my god, I'm exhausted. We just got home like 30 minutes ago. I think 40 minutes ago. It was a good day. We had a lot of fun, which is always awesome. I got my Buffalo Wild Wings, as you saw. That was like the highlight of my day. We went to Chick-fil-A and it was so crowded. The drive-through line was insane. I mean, Chick-fil-A is always crowded. I don't really know why. Personally, my family does not think it's very good. The waffle fries are good, but the chicken nuggets at least are, like, I've had better. But we needed food and I was hungry, so we got that. Normally we get Taco Bell and I think I might stick to Taco Bell from now on. And it's cheaper. So we got Chick-fil-A. My sister got Dunkin' Donuts because, actually I got a donut too. The pumpkin stuff is out, we don't have Dunkin' Donuts here. So she did that, and then we walked around the mall and Target, got stuff, and then yeah, Buffalo Wild Wings for dinner. So we are very tired. I need a day to not do anything. I can't believe it's already Sunday tomorrow. The weekend goes by too fast. It needs to be a legal law that, I'm holding it really close to my face. There needs to be a legal law that Friday is a weekend, because I need 3 days off. For braces, you guys are something else. Obviously I have not got them yet. When I do get them, when and if, you guys will know. You'll know. Don't worry, I'm gonna vlog it as much as I can. Don't worry, you will know when I get them. I will document the whole braces journey. You'll know everything about it. I'll make like a little series or something, or I'll try to do that if I get them. So, but I appreciate the enthusiasm for me getting braces. For watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to spread kindness. Bye.